Do you want that perfect look for summer? Or strong glutes for performance? Try these 7 exercises. 1. Glute Bridge. Safe for beginners, the glute bridge isolates and strengthens your glute muscles, hamstrings, and core while also improving stability in your hips. 2. Jumping squats. This powerful plyometric exercise will boost your heart rate and help strengthen your glutes, hips, quads, hamstrings, and calves. 3. Walking lunge with weights. Walking lunges are an excellent exercise for building and toning the glute muscles while also targeting the quadriceps and improving your balance. 4. Single Leg Deadlift. The single leg deadlift is an intermediate to advanced move that targets your glutes and hamstrings. It also challenges your balance and core stability. 5. Clamshell. The clamshell targets the deep glute muscles, gluteus medius and minimus, which are often neglected when performing exercises like the squat and deadlift. Smaller than the gluteus maximus, these muscles help stabilize your pelvis, prevent lower back pain, and balance out your lower body. 6. Banded side step. The banded side step exercise targets your glutes as well as your hip muscles. For a deep burn in the glutes, perform banded side steps with another lower body exercise like squats or lunges. 7. Donkey kicks.